Wind was just incredible.
I know. Before you left, you told me that you're going to go home and be in your basement. It was pretty.
I said, I'm going to use this as an excuse to go work out downstairs in the basement.
Exactly.
And keep the dog down there, because I'm sure a lot of pet owners know. I mean, the pets are so scared, with the wind.
Exactly. You can hear it howling. It woke me up this morning. But the stuff that woke me up this morning is different from the thunderstorm wind and damage that we had yesterday.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to be dealing with more of a change behind that cold front, but still quite windy. So exactly.
Doesn't it feel like it's been so windy this winter?
And everybody's been saying that, and because it's true. It's so true. I believe like every week we have been dealing with some very windy conditions, wind advisories out there, and we have the same thing for today, a wind advisory for the eastern shore until about 11 o'clock this morning, western shore until about 10 o'clock this morning. But we still do have those storm reports that we were talking about, and there are a lot of them. So let's go through some of these, as we did have that thunderstorm wind damage, and really all this happened around 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Around Garrison, we can see a large tree down on Reisterstown Road. Not the only spot there. We head over to Howard County, trees down in West Friendship. Again, all this thunderstorm wind damage, and we can see numerous trees reported down with a shed roof damaged, and this was in Queen Anne's across the eastern shore. And then we stay across the eastern shore around Caroline County in Denton, a tree down there. And then the last stop, Royal Oak and Talbot, tree and wires down in that area. So definitely some dangerous conditions yesterday, the windy conditions, but today we're calmer in terms of the severe weather, but still dealing with winds gusting. Check out these reports from this morning. Yeah, we're definitely talking about 53-mile-an-hour wind gusts being reported in Edgemere, Whiteford coming in at 50, and then Hagerstown in western Maryland dealing with a 56-mile-an-hour wind. So this is what I'm talking about for today. This is why we had that wind advisory in effect for this morning. We could see those gusts up to about 50 to 55 miles an hour. And I can actually say we can hear those gusts too, because we are definitely having those winds howl out there. Again, dogs, pets, and definitely not a fan of the windy conditions. Temperatures right now coming in right around 43 degrees in Baltimore. So that cooler air is starting to work its way in. You see the 20s back there across the upper Midwest. We are going to start to get in some colder air as well. And we're going to also start to see a little bit of winter once again by tomorrow, possibly some snow. Chillier air's made its way in behind that cold front, and we're also looking at plenty of sunshine today. ABC2's most accurate futurecast picking up on that, but also picking up on possibly a few snow showers for tomorrow. Not sticking around. Once again, snow lovers, just something to look at. It'll be in, it'll be out with that March sun angle quite high, and this is what we have as we head towards the afternoon. Temperatures in the upper 40s to right around 50. Let's go to check that traffic now with Megan Knight.
All right.